Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to fix if the common Windows shortcut combination, the Windows key and the spacebar, is not working on your computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I'd recommend doing would be to open up the Start menu, type in Troubleshoot. Best result should come back with Troubleshoot Settings. Go ahead and left click on that to open it up. Select additional troubleshooters on the right panel here, and then underneath Find and Fix Other Problems, select Keyboard, Find and Fix Problems of your computer's keyboard settings, and select Run the Troubleshooter. And give it a moment here to begin. And you see it didn't find anything, but if it did, hopefully it would have resolved your problem. One further thing you can try here would be to open up the Start menu and type in CMD. Best result should say Command Prompt. You want to go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select Yes. Now I would recommend just typing in exactly how it appears on my screen here. So SFC followed by a space /scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take a couple minutes to run, so please be patient. Okay, so you can see it didn't find any integrity violations. In a lot of cases it actually will, even if it is or is not related to the topic of the video. I do find I've run the scan several times on this computer already today, so that's why it's already cleaned stuff up. But hopefully would have been able to resolve that problem for you guys, once you've run it, restart your computer, and then hopefully the keyboard combination is working again as it's supposed to. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.